Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to make this video. My mentor told me you could duplicate this and change your nudge distance to 2.5 and then do that, and then you've got an intersection where you could put in the 2 and it would snap to it. And that is pretty cool, but that's not going to happen very often, that everything like that is symmetrical. So we have our, but I just thought of, I'm going to show it this way. We have a 2.5 inch nudge factor distance. I'm going to bring in a guideline, and when you get close to that corner, it's going to snap to, and that's if you have snap to guidelines checked. So view, snap to, and then guidelines. And then you've got that guideline, and you've got your nudge distance set on the 2.5 inches, and that puts it in the center. Then Control D, and then move it over twice, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. Then just bring an indexing line from the top, bring it in, Control D. Now you need to hit this one twice, and then just once. And in that quick, you have the spots to put, because you have snap to guidelines. I kind of like my way I did it last night, and he said that's an awful lot of nudging, and it is, and this might even actually help you. This doesn't do it, I think, perfectly. You really got to watch what you're doing, but it'll work. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.